Hello viewers, today I will show another project demo which is library management system. So this is the login screen and this application built using latest ASP.NET Core 6.0 and database we have used MSSQL server. You can use MySQL, PostgreSQL as well, and code first approach entity framework code, and for login management we have used identity core. So let me give you the overview so that you can get the full idea. So business logic, we have added most of the required library management system business. So if we log in to the system, this is the dashboard, recent book, recent issue, recent book, recent registered user. Also this application supported multi-language. If I switch language English to Arabic, you can see the translation Arabic language with sidebar. So now I will show the full featured demo one by one. So this is the dashboard, and if I create a new book, already once you run this project, as this project is code first, automatically some demo data will be created along with this project. So here is the listed book. So just for showing the demo, I'm just creating the test book. Test book author Mr. XYZ. Number of copy, let's say 200, and book category, let's say classic. Save. So book created successfully. So we can check the total book, issue book, and available book. Here is a summary, and if we go to the dashboard, also we can see the summary: total book, available book, issue booked. As we have created new book, and we can issue this book to the different user. So we can search the book in the drop down, test book, issue date and return date. You have to check some date, and student. Here is a listed demo user student. Let's say admin 02, and class field not required. Also this field is dynamic. You can add class from the menu bar. Address test TBD. So issue book created successfully, and here is the receive option. Once we issue a book to some student, then we can receive once the book reading complete with certain duration. Here is the details with the returning date. Let's say just a demo data. We can check the return book list. Here's the return book list, and also you can check the history, like issue book created and issue book 4. We can check the issue book 4. So received, already received. So the book management is pretty dynamic. You can check all the history of issue book, and you can check the current book, and you can add new book with the categories, and you can check the categories here with different color, and admin have full control, and search functionality is pretty faster. Let's say Pride and Prejudice. So you can search as well, and also pagination. Currently this page showing 20. If I select 10, then here is the pagination. And I already explained issue book history and book category. So you can add book category here. I already added some demo categories here. Also, we have added visitor logs. In a library, some visitor can come and you some assistant manager or someone can take the visitor logs. So let me add some demo. Mr. XYZ, from where data, phone number XYZ, reason to come, TBD, join time and left time. You can add the left time, not TBD if required. Save. So visitors, so library administrator can store the visitor logs as well using the system. So this system is dynamically user management and role management. It is the role management. So by default, admin and general role will be created once you run this project. If you check the admin role can access all the pages, and the general role can access only the dashboard and user profile. If I log in as a general user, if go to the user management, so just create a test user, and user type, let's say student, phone number XYZ, email S1, sorry S1, A1 already created, password just 123. User role, if I select general, and I also can select the user profile image safe, so S1 has been created. So you can check the S1 page access as an admin user. See, just this user can access dashboard and user profile. If I log out from the system and using the newly created user, which is S1, as I explained, so general user can only access his profile and dashboard, empty dashboard basically, and also change the language, switch the language English to Arabic. Clear, and you can copy the credentials for demo. So admin user can access all the features. So for library management, so main feature is adding the book and issue book and also receive the book. So this is the main core feature of the library management. Also the track the history of every issue book and receiving book. And once you adding the book, you have to maintain the categories. So it's the categories links. Also one important feature we have added or included in this application, which is visitor logs. Additionally, the systems also like user management. We have implemented user management with user designation, department, sub-department. These are dynamic. You can add here, and based on this data, once you created that user, then in the drop down, this data will be loaded. Company info, like organization information, you can add here. Email configuration for registering user, send email confirmation, like account confirmation. And I already explained the role management system. So if I create a just test role, test role TBD, you can select this role page access. Let's check all, save. So test role has been created. So this user can access all the pages. System role, this is just role name. Also manage app, this is the identity settings like password, length, min, max. So this is the configurables. Login history, this application also store the user login history. You can customize it based on your needs and disable some functionality from here, some columns. And audit log, one of the important feature this application, we have included like audit trails. So all database operation like create, update, you can track from here. And dashboard is pretty organized. You can check the application summary here, like total book, available book, current issue book, and user role, total user role, designation, department, user type, user, and you can check the recent issue book, recent book, and recent registered user. And if we go to the user management again, and if I wanted to create using newly created role like test role, and faculty, phone number XYZ, email S2, password 123 123, and test role, save. So user has been created, email address is S2. We can check this user details, user page access from here. So as expected, this user can full application. Also you can customize and check and update. If I log out and log in using this new credentials, so then we can see this user can access full page of this application. As expected, so this user can access all the pages. So this is the overall summary of library management system. So if you interested this application, you can get entire latest code with details documentations, and this project is a code first approach, so no, you don't have to worry about like DB script. So once you just run the build success and run the project, automatically database and required test data will be created. And we have used latest ASP.NET Core 6.0, and the front end we have used jQuery data table, and this application is multilingual supported. Also database is multiple database supported, and we have tried to implement all best practices. So our code base is pretty clean. We have used MVC framework and uh, try to add library management all required features. So thank you for the watching. If you are interested, uh, or if you have any some further feedback, or if you wanted to additional features, always most welcome. Please share. I will share my details in the comments. Also, you can purchase this application from the Code Canyon.